When it comes to smart energy, Huawei leads the way. Global power, big vibes. This is the future of solar inverters. One, two, three, four, five. Total 5 number of solar inverters are attached with this 600 kilowatt on-grid solar system. This solar system has been installed at an industrial area in Lahore, Shekhupura, and this is installed at a spinning mill. Textile spinning sector is the backbone of Pakistan's economy, but the biggest challenge which spinning industry is facing is the higher electricity cost. In order to reduce the energy cost of this spinning industry, this spinning mill has decided to install a 600 kilowatt solar system, and this project has been awarded to Smart Solar. When it comes to the selection of inverters and solar panels, Huawei is the #1 choice of any client or Smart Solar as well, and Canadian solar panels, tier 1 A grade solar panels are choice of Smart Solar as well. So we have decided to install total 5 number of inverters. Each inverter is of 115 kilowatt rating. These inverters are capable of handling extra PV oversizing, so we have installed 125 kilowatt of solar panels on each 115 kilowatt Huawei inverter, and with these Huawei inverters we can have the details of each and every data of this solar system. We have installed Huawei data loggers and Huawei smart Wi-Fi devices as well, and by using Huawei Fusion application we can get all the details, our daily production, past production and the yearly data of this solar system over the Android phones and iPhone phone as well. And when we can get all these data remotely by sitting anywhere in the world. This 600 kilowatt solar system is capable of generating more than 2400 units per day, and if you talk about the monthly, it can generate more than 72,000 units, and yearly production is for more than 800,000 units. By installing this type of system, this spinning mill is saving more than 3 million rupees a month, because the electricity tariff of this area is 45 rupees per kilowatt hour, and then this mill can now save more than 40 million rupees a year, and this amount is almost equivalent to the installation cost of this 600 kilowatt solar system in a year. That means ROI of this system is covered within a year. This system is not only saving the money, but it is also doing the environmental impact as well, because by installing this 600 kilowatt system we are able to reduce more than 400 tons of carbon dioxide emissions, and that is almost equivalent to planting more than 17,000 trees a year. So this area is already very much polluted area, because this is an industrial area of Lahore, and Lahore is facing smoke and air pollution issues for last couple of years. By installing such system we are able to reduce the impact of smoke, impact of air pollution as well.